Hey everybody, this is going to be another system test. System test 4. Yep, that's right. System test 4. And before I begin with system test 4, I just want to mention about this. Here's my Wheel AS 241575W. But I have two Firelight BG10 pull stations. I was able to do either one of these BG10s, but sadly, the first one, the bottom one, it has the white wires. It's broke, as you can see, and it's not hooked up. It's not hooked up to alarm. So yeah, and then this one does hooked up, but sadly the screws don't have it. So yeah, I might have to figure it out later, or I might have to order another BG10 later in the future that have the screws, and that's connected to that thing, to the pull stations. So anyways, back to system test. Here we have again Firelight BG12 pull station. And then I have this here. My Wheelock ZRS. Similar to the ZNS, which has a speaker on it, but it's a CRS. 24 MCW with 1110 candela, as you can see. Later, I'll demonstration of how I get able to hook up the alarms onto the pull station. So yeah. So yeah, like I said, my system test 4. Same 9-volt batteries that's connected. And yeah. So yeah. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. As you can see. Too bright too. Systems activated. So yeah. Systems back to normal. You can actually do this too. You can either pull it or flip the switch. So yeah. There we go. Systems back to normal now. All right. Well, that was the system test 4. Maybe later on, I'll probably do another system test 5, which I'll probably figure out how able to do something fun. So yeah, we'll start with system test 5 later. So that was the system test 4, and have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Peace out.